name is Kei with the Additive Guru channel, and this is your 3D printing news brief. Musashi Seimitsu Industry is an automotive parts manufacturer that is working with battery specialist KeraCel to develop a 3D printed solid-state battery. The research into solid-state batteries is nothing new. For the last 5 years, many companies and universities have invested millions into the technology. Solid-state batteries are significantly safer than traditional lithium-ion batteries because the electrolytic component is non-flammable. That is because instead of a liquid or a gel-based electrolytic solution, it is a solid. This also can make the battery more efficient and more compact. That being said, KeraCel has taken it a step further. With 3D printing, they can control the direction and flow between the anode and cathode, increasing the battery's efficiency. 3D printing also lets them prototype faster, allowing them to reach final products sooner. 3D printing is so fast, in fact, that they believe it will be the only way to mass produce these batteries. The goal for KeraCel and Musashi Seimitsu will be to produce batteries for electric motorcycles. 3D printing industry says that this technology is also being used by Toyota, BMW, and Honda for use in their own electric fleet vehicles. It will be exciting to see how far these companies can take this technology. And that is your 3D printing news brief. Thank you for watching the Additive Guru channel.